Namaskar. You're watching Rhythm News, and I'm Suruchi Das. The United States has been playing a dangerous diplomatic game, one that reveals a troubling pattern of double standards and interference. While President Joe Biden engages in high-profile discussions with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, praising the growing strategic partnership between the two nations, US diplomats are simultaneously holding meetings with opposition leaders in Jammu Kashmir, including National Conference Vice President Omar Abdullah. These meetings come at a critical juncture just ahead of the region's assembly elections and raise serious concerns about American intentions. The US has a history of inserting itself into political landscape of other nations under the guise of diplomacy, as seen in past incidents in Bangladesh and other countries. This dual approach by the US is far from neutral and reflects a broader strategy of meddling in India's internal affairs. According to sources, the talks centered around current political situation in Jammu Kashmir, with US diplomats reportedly expressing concerns about the region's stability and the treatment of minorities. They also discussed the upcoming elections and the potential outcomes, with an emphasis on the role that opposition parties like the National Conference could play in shaping the future political landscape. However, such discussions have been viewed with suspicion as they seem to signal an attempt by the US to influence the political dynamics of the region rather than simply observing the democratic process from a neutral standpoint. The recent meetings between US diplomats and Indian opposition leaders, including those in Jammu Kashmir, appear to be a calculated move to influence the region's political landscape. Such actions echo past US interference in countries like Bangladesh, the whole of the Middle East and African nations, where foreign interests allegedly played a role in destabilizing the government. It's a classic case of US using its diplomatic clout to sway the internal politics of other nations, all while failing to fix the problems within its own borders. As India prepares for the Jammu Kashmir Assembly elections, the shadow of US interference looms large. The United States, with its track record of double dealing and selective concern for human rights, is once again showing that its diplomatic efforts are anything but impartial. Instead of meddling in India's democratic processes, perhaps the US should focus on addressing the glaring inequalities and injustices faced by its own people. The world is watching, and the hypocrisy is evident. The United States is going to label these meetings as their concern for democratic institutions, their goodwill for minorities of our nation. It has the tendency to lecture other nations on democracy and human rights, conveniently overlooking the deep-rooted issues faced by the minority communities back home.